For purposes of the proxy statement filed with the SEC, is administrative help for directors a perk? Today on Zippy Point.
Quick Zips by Zippy Point.
Quick and dirty. I'm Brock Romanek, and I'm a big fan of use. So it's a perk if they're doing a director's dry cleaning. Fortunately, the dry cleaning kind of thing is old school and pretty much dead. Nowadays, directors aren't expecting that sort of concierge treatment from the company, and any business needs that they have with the company is run through the corporate secretary's office. The types of things handled by that office are solely professional, business related, flights for board meetings, hotels related to the director service. These are not perks. There might still be the rare exception for a few former CEOs out there who stay on as directors after they've left the CEO position, who are leaning on their old secretary to do personal tasks. If so, the time spent by that administrative person, the old secretary, handling those personal chores are considered perks for that former CEO in their capacity as a director now. For more of my Vid-Guides about perks, there are dozens of them. Go to zippypoint.com or search YouTube with the hashtags of #perks and #zippypoint and let me know what you think.